Today I am sharing with you my secret recipe of Subway sandwich with 3 tips to taste it exactly like restaurant. For this we will need footlong bread with chopped tomatoes, cucumber, shredded lettuce, chopped capsicum and onion, a block of processed cheese and grater. Eggless mayonnaise, mustard sauce, mixed herbs, pepper powder and salt. Cut footlong breads horizontally into 2 equal halves, leaving it joined on one side. Keep the bread half opened out and spread mayonnaise with a butter knife. Spread mayonnaise to the other half of the bread in the same way. Now squeeze in American mustard sauce and ketchup over the bread slice and mix it well. All the sides of the bread should be well coated with this mix. Now sprinkle dried mixed herbs, pepper powder and salt. The Italian seasoning will give a great taste to this veggie loaded sandwich. Arrange the lettuce in a layer and place cucumber, tomato and onion slices over the lettuce. You can also add black olives and pickled jalapenos. Place freshly cut capsicum and garnish it with grated cheese. You can also use cheese slices. Close the top part of bread over the vegetables. Make sure everything is secured on the inside of bread. Now cut it in the middle to make 2 6-inch subs. Yummy footlong sandwich is ready to serve. If you have enjoyed this recipe, then do not forget to like, comment and subscribe.